Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe guys. If you need to remove or replace the ignition coil, stay with us, we will explain how to do that. As you can see, the engine is out of the car. We will explain why, but the procedure will be exactly the same even if it's in the vehicle. So we're going to cover how to replace ignition coil, okay, and we will explain for each cylinder. All that will be covered in this video today. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this is the engine guys. The same engine has been used in multiple Hyundai vehicles, but Santa Fe uses exactly the same engine. In order to get to your ignition coils, okay, with the engine in the engine bay, okay, the procedure will be about the same guys. You need to remove your upper engine cover. Grab it firmly, pull it straight up. Make sure the bushings are attached to the cover still. If you have a loose bushing that's right here on the posts, pull it out and put it back on the cover. Once you remove it guys, okay, you get to the point that you see your ignition coils. You have ignition coils, 4 of them, 4-cylinder engine, because it's a 2.4 4-cylinder engine. Now, how do you know which one is which? Starting on the very left side towards the serpentine belt, that's ignition coil 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively, cylinder 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we'll demonstrate only on one of them, but all of them are the same way. That safety pin, you need to pull it back all the way. Push on the wire here, okay, and disconnect it. If it's stuck guys, what you need to do, push in a little bit, then press down, okay, and pull it up. Now 10mm socket, and we need to go ahead, okay, and remove that bolt. Once you remove the bolt, you can just go ahead, grab the ignition coil, okay, and pull it out. This is guys ignition coil out of a Hyundai Santa Fe. So that's how you guys remove it. Replacement, putting it together, practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. Always inspect to make sure you don't have engine oil in the spark plug well, because that means you have a bad gasket guys. We have a special video how to do that, how to replace valve cover gasket. All that will be on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.